Amber Heard and Johnny Depp have had a long court-filled year on top of the long disease-filled year the rest of us faced in 2020. Following Johnny Depp's libel court case in the UK, he and Amber Heard will once more be returning to court in the US for a second case, this one about defamation. Johnny Depp's huge win for Depp as Amber Heard's defense falls apart. Still, despite this, Heard seems to be looking forward to the new year. The Aquaman 2 actress even shared her advice for 2021. Amber Heard's been out and about promoting the Stephen King series The Stand recently. During an interview with Access Hollywood, she was asked about her takeaway from 2020 while heading into the new year. She noted, simply, "Amber Heard has faced a lot this year while dealing with the various Johnny Depp court cases. She is actually being sued as part of the defamation case, but was only a part of Depp's libel case after she testified. Though the libel lawsuit wasn't hers, there have been Justice for Johnny campaigns rolling online, and at one point, a faction on the internet created a petition asking that she be removed from the role of Mara in DC's Aquaman 2. Yet it sounds as if the actress is adapting to the circumstances she has found herself in following her high-profile split with Johnny Depp and the allegations of abuse she first insinuated, with stories later coming out in full as both parties pinned allegations on one another. Accounts of what happened during their time together have become muddled as Depp accused Amber Heard of pooping in their marital bed, a move she says was the dog's. Heard has also said Depp famously injured his finger whilst being abusive to himself, and he says she was responsible for the finger injury, and so it goes on. Meanwhile, Amber Heard seems to be focusing on herself and her person as she looks to face the Virginia defamation case in 2021. That court case has been pushed back, first due to COVID-19, and then later as Heard and Depp seemingly had conflicting schedules, him with Fantastic Beasts 3 and hers with Aquaman 2. Of course, now Depp has been replaced as Grindelwald in the Harry Potter universe spin-offs, and Mads Mikkelsen has taken his place. After 5 films spanning 15 years, the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise has become one of the biggest selling movie chains of all time. Pirates of the Caribbean 5 made nearly $800 million globally, and Pirates of the Caribbean 6 has already become a highly anticipated movie. However, Johnny Depp, who played the famous character of Captain Jack Sparrow in all 5 films, was allegedly removed for the 6th film in the franchise. He was reportedly dropped from the role following the allegations made against him by his ex-wife Amber Heard. Johnny Depp and Amber Heard met on the set of The Rum Diary in 2009. After Depp split with his ex-wife Vanessa Paradis, he started dating Heard in 2012. Depp and Heard married in a private ceremony in 2015. Heard filed for divorce in 2016, and she also obtained a restraining order against Depp, who she accused of physically abusing her during the marriage. Amber Heard penned an op-ed piece that accused Depp of sexual violence and physically abusing her during their marriage. According to Unilad, Heard did not mention Depp's name in the op-ed, but wrote about the treatment of women involved in domestic abuse and remarked on how she herself was treated the same. 4 days after the op-ed was published in the Washington Post, Depp was allegedly let go from the franchise of Pirates of the Caribbean franchise in December 2018. Johnny Depp denied the domestic violence allegations that was charged by Amber Heard. According to Cinema Blend, Depp's lawyer filed a $50 million defamation suit against Heard and claimed her abuse allegations were part of an elaborate hoax to generate positive publicity for Ms. Heard and advance her career. Amber Heard's comments come just a few days after Johnny Depp took to social media to share his own takeaways from 2020. He mentioned the year being hard on everyone, but seemed cheerful for the year ahead. We'll have to wait to see if the attitude holds up, as he and Heard may be facing another long year in the court system. He sued her for $50 million. She's countersued for $100 million. I want him to pay, but I don't want to keep a dime of his money because of the way I've been treated, continued Calda Scott, adding that it implies revulsion as the way she has been treated. It goes to the likely starting point of whether she was a likely victim of domestic violence, said Caldecott. It's a false plus to her and a false minus to him. Heard publicly stated that she would donate her $7 million divorce settlement to charity on August 18, 2016, adding that the money would go to the ACLU and the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles. Money played no role for me personally and never has, except to the extent that I could donate it to a charity and, in doing so, hopefully help those less able to defend themselves, Heard, 34, said in a statement obtained by People at the time. As reported in the media, the amount received in the divorce was $7 million, and $7 million is being donated, she added. This is over and above any funds that I have given away in the past and will continue to give away in the future. Depp's lawyers contended that the public pledge played an important role in the original Libel hearings, as Judge Nichols stated in his ruling. Her donation of the $7 million to charity is hardly the act one would expect of a gold digger. After entering the new evidence, Caldecott added that if the truth about the charity claim emerged at the trial, it would have materially affected Mr. Justice Nichols' consideration of Ms. Heard's evidence as a whole. Caldecott added, her public statements expressly stated that the ACLU donation had victims of domestic violence specifically in mind. The fact that they're rebooting something that you did means that you did something that was worth rebooting. It's an honor. Another reason for his removal could be the fact that Disney couldn't afford him anymore. According to Forbes, Depp's salary, including a healthy profit percentage, reaches close to $100 million per Pirates film. That's almost Rs 700 crore, but the last entry posted unremarkable box office numbers. Pirates of the Caribbean: Dead Men Tell No Tales, the series' fifth film, registered a box office haul of almost $800 million, well below the over $1 billion totals of the franchise's second and fourth films, and the $963 million haul of the third one. Disney is looking to save $90 million by recasting Depp, the report said. Depp's last few films, Mordecai, Alice Through the Looking Glass, Transcendence, The Lone Ranger, have been box office disappointments. His upcoming film, City of Angels, was shelved at the last minute due to disputes. However, according to a new report, recent developments in Depp's ongoing legal tussle with Heard suggest that Disney might be having second thoughts about the actor. A We Got This Covered report claimed that a following series of revelations in the court case between the two former spouses, we're now hearing that the 56-year-old could be set to reprise his Academy Award-nominated signature role in the upcoming sixth film. The report said that Disney is looking to hire a female lead for the upcoming film, with Depp appearing in a supporting role. Depp has played Jack Sparrow in 5 Pirates films, which have collectively made over $4.5 billion worldwide. The first film earned Depp an Academy Award nomination for Best Actor.